Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock. And tap on it. Then just allow in the pop-up and click on this button with a plus on it to add your alarm. Finally, you can set up an hour and pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Then click on label your alarm however you wish to. Click on save and tap on alarm ringtone. Over here you can pick one of those melodies by tapping on the one that you wish to set up and going back. But you can also choose alarm ringtone, tap on ringtone from internal storage and click on the song from your device. Then go back 2 times and choose allow. Now you can click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and finally choose set alarm to save your alarm clock. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by holding it and choosing delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!